general servicing. One of the most important periodic maintenances that you should have perform on your car regularly. Routinely, this takes place every 3 to 4 months. But if you notice that you're a little strapped for cash and the general maintenance is a little bit more costly in terms of the inspection and so on that we perform, there is something else that we can do between. So you can alternate this between a general service, and the feature I'm talking about is Quick Lube. We offer a Quick Lube between $200 and $300. It's less costly than the general service. It should not replace the general service, but it can take place between them. What do I mean? Your general services, like I said, should take place every 3 to 4 months. You can do a Quick Lube at the 3-month mark and then have a general service performed at the 6-month mark, meaning that you alternate these services to make sure that your engine stays operating as designed. So the general service includes a maintenance check, and the Quick Lube is just an oil change. Why can you alternate them? Your oil needs to stay fresh to keep your engine running. However, brake pads, tires, and the like may not need to be inspected as often depending on how frequently and how often and how aggressively you use your vehicle. So if you're a person who makes usually regular routine trips, you leave home at morning for church or work, and then you only use it again to return home after church or work, you may be a prime candidate for somebody who can do a Quick Lube at month 3 and then make sure that you do your routine service or maintenance at month 6. So, in order to make sure that you keep in line, please make sure you visit your authorized dealer. Make sure you pay attention to the service notification they provide for you, whether via your sticker or your maintenance light that pops up on your dashboard or in your instrument cluster or your DIC, your driver information center, whichever vehicle you have has different ones. And make sure that you do these things on time to keep your vehicle running as designed. I've seen situations personally where somebody has neglected their maintenance for sometimes 9 months, 12 months, and then instead of that $300 oil change, they now have a $6,000, $7,000 engine repair to be performed. So it's something that's very important. It might be a regular spend, but it reduces your overall cost if you were to have that catastrophic failure that could result in you spending much more. So if you're looking to have your regular routine maintenance done, via Quick Lube or via the general servicing, please be sure to visit us 465-2511 at any point in time, and the ladies at the desk will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you again for joining us for another episode of Garage Talk. I'm still Duran Merchant, and I'll see you next time.